Hey there, friend. It's the Credit Dad here. And today I want to talk with you about a tool that's been helping folks quietly build better credit for decades, the Montgomery Ward credit card. Yep, that same trusted name your grandparents may have known is still around, and now it's helping people like you take real steps toward a stronger financial future. So, how does it work? Well, the Montgomery Ward credit account is actually a store card, which means it's only used for purchases from their online catalog. But here's the key: every time you use it wisely and pay on time, they report your payment history to the major credit bureaus, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. That means every on-time payment helps build your credit profile. Now listen, this isn't a card you get to splurge. It's a tool, like a hammer when you're building a house. You use it smartly. Start small. Buy something you need, maybe some household items, bedding, or cookware. Then pay it off steadily. Here's why this card can be a good choice, especially if you're just starting out or rebuilding. No hard credit check to apply, so your score won't take a hit. Easy approval, even with poor or limited credit. Reports to major credit bureaus, helping boost your score. And it comes with a $750 starting credit limit in many cases, giving you some breathing room if used responsibly. Over time, this little card can become a powerful helper on your credit journey. Combine it with a solid budget and timely payments, and you're on the road to bigger financial goals, like qualifying for a better credit card, a car loan, or even a home. Remember, credit is like a reputation. You build it with trust, time, and consistency. The Montgomery Ward credit card won't do the work for you, but it can give you the opportunity to prove yourself. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you've got a question or credit concern, drop it in the comments. This dad reads everyone. Until next time, stay wise, stay steady, and keep building.